Over the last few years, we've seen some challenging times for distributors and vendors. Distributors are having to cope with a changing product portfolio for their retail and reseller customers. They're also having to deal with a change in how their retail and reseller customers are actually selling to the end user. The data sets that are available in the market, which are widening, but also becoming harder to find, because the vendor and the distributor are moving away from each other in certain cases. But ultimately it's about getting the brand value, how you deliver the message to the end user, the person who is actually buying the product. The vendor has to portray that all the way through the purchase journey. And at a time when the channels are becoming so muddled and so grey, it's really hard to focus that campaign. We offer a comprehensive way of a business benchmarking themselves against their competition, but more importantly, identifying opportunities in the market. So how we can help? By verifying and identifying opportunities and gaps within distribution. By optimizing shelf availability. Maximizing point of sale channels. Controlling order management. And managing channel price premiums. And the last thing is the mapping out of the purchase journey, understanding the touch points all the way through the channel. Customer insight is based on a consumer panel of over 12,000 people. We ask on a weekly basis the how and why they're buying products. But the forecasting part is a major part when you're looking at understanding the pull, what the customer is going to be buying in the future. You merge the consumer insight as to why they're buying, and then looking at what they're going to buy in the future. It makes for a very, very important layer to our GfK Distribution product. Our market quarterly, half-yearly and yearly forecasting products helps our clients plan ahead and be more strategic about what's going to happen in the future. So whether you're a vendor, a distributor or retailer and reseller, we have the data, the insight, the expertise to help you improve your efficiency, but also gain a long-term strategic advantage.